Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We have a number of people that come to see us, and their problem is that they have postural issues. The big postural issue is they have the rounded shoulder position. So we live in a world where everything obviously is in front of us. We work on a computer, at a desk for long periods of time, and what's happened over time, their posture is such that they have now got this rounded shoulder position, and it's very, very hard for them to, they start having pain in the chest, they're having pain in the shoulders, even pain in the neck, because what happens is as the shoulders roll forward, the head moves forward and you get tightness in the back of the neck. So one easy way, well maybe not so easy, easier said than done, is to one easy trick to get this fixed here is to use a broomstick or a PVC pipe. This is a 5-foot long PVC pipe. You can use a broomstick, whatever you have lying around that's kind of like a stick. But anyway, you simply take this, you take a wide grip, nice wide as you can go, enough to just clear your head, and you're just moving in this particular range of motion. So elbows are nice and locked out, and you're just moving in this particular range of motion. Now you'll find at first you might be really, really tight in the chest and really, really tight in the front of the shoulders, but then over time, as you do this more and more often, you'll be able to get all the way through and do what we call pass-throughs, or shoulder dislocates are another name for this. You see a lot of baseball players doing this, warming up before a game, a lot of pitchers, to loosen up their shoulders. Just like that. And then as you get better and better, your range of motion in your shoulder gets better and better, you can start bringing your hands in closer and closer and do pass-throughs closer and closer. But at first, you're going to be really, really tight in the chest and the front of the shoulder. So keep it wide and hang out just in here. Nice and easy. As you get more and more range, you'll be able to find that you can drop all the way down. Like that. So again, we live in this world where everything's in front of us. We sit, we work on the computer a lot, so we get this rolled shoulder configuration. You see guys and gals walking around like this with their rolled shoulder. How do we fix that? How do we change this posture so the way our back muscles, our neck muscles don't have as much pain as we move through our life? So how do we get our shoulders to sit back in the socket a lot more properly? Again, shoulder dislocates, pass-throughs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share so other people can get value from these videos that we're doing for you. You take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.